There's no need to use the default checkbox design when you can create an engaging and visually appealing custom checkbox for toggling. A custom toggle checkbox with animation can significantly enhance the user experience by making interactions more intuitive and enjoyable. Let's create a custom toggle checkbox using HTML and CSS. Inside the body tag, we will create a div with the class wrapper to act as a container for the checkbox and its label. Within this wrapper class, we will place an input element of type checkbox with the ID toggler. Similarly, we will have a label tag associated with our input type checkbox with its ID. Within this label tag, we will have a span tag which will be styled as a toggle button using CSS. Additionally, we will have text next to the toggle switch. Now that the HTML is finished, only the CSS styling remains to be done. In the style.css file, I have already imported a Google font to be used in our design. Additionally, I have applied styles to the body tag to ensure that its content is vertically and horizontally centered. While these styles are not mandatory, if needed, the source code will be included in the description for reference. To begin, we will focus on the input type checkbox. The default checkbox will be hidden, and custom styles will be added to create a toggle checkbox. Despite the input element being hidden, the checkbox will remain fully functional and can be toggled by clicking on its associated label element. Initially, the position will be set to relative, display to inline block, padding left to 10px, color to white, font size to 24px, cursor to a pointer, and font weight to 800. Furthermore, we will target the input element when the checkbox is checked. For this, we will target the pseudo element of the span tag within the label tag, adjusting its left position to 44px to reposition the indicator. In order to target the circular indicator or handle within a toggle switch, we will write CSS to select the pseudo element before the span element within the label. This pseudo element will be given a position of absolute to position it relative to its closest positioned ancestor. We will set the top and left distances to 4px from the edges of its parent element, and the content will generate an anonymous box with a width and height of 32px. Similarly, we will apply a warm shade of orange as the background color. To create a circle, we will use a border radius of 50%. Finally, we will add a transition to ensure smooth animation when the toggle switch state changes. Finally, we are going to style the background of the toggle switch. We will specifically target the span tag within the label element, which is immediately followed by an input of type checkbox. First, we will set its position to absolute, left to 0 to ensure it starts from the leftmost position within the label. The width will be 80px and the height will be 40px. The background color will be white and the border radius will be 40px. You've just learned how to create engaging and visually appealing custom checkbox toggles using CSS. This tutorial will definitely be useful for your project. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to show your support.